Happy New Year, everyone! CJ here from Second Opinion. The start of the new year always seems to signify a new drop from Honor. There seems to be a pattern emerging from the brand. They not only want to start the year with a bang, but they want to showcase a device that can withstand the said bang. The HONOR X9d is the brand's newest device that is even more breakable than the previous generation. Let's see how Honor's newest unbreakable device fares against the elements. It's a fact, Honor builds some of the most durable smartphones out there. But they never skimp on the design either. The reddish-brown color is definitely an eye-catcher. It looks like something Tony Stark built himself. Personally, I am a fan of this color, but I do understand that it may not be for everyone. Thankfully, the sunrise gold and midnight black colors are available for those with a more subtle taste. The HONOR X9d is a bit heavier than its previous iteration at 193 grams. However, it is somehow slightly slimmer, clocking in at 7.76 millimeters. Obviously, the build quality of this device is one of the things that makes this smartphone special. It is equipped with the HONOR Ultra Bounce anti-drop technology, which is a mouthful to say, as well as ultra-tough tempered glass. The device can withstand drops at up to 2.5 meters. We even tested the phone against the Tesla Cybertruck. And as much as we banged this phone up against the Cybertruck, it remained unscathed. We also did a few drop tests ourselves involving some different everyday scenarios. Go check that out on our IG Reels and YouTube Shorts. Additionally, the smartphone features flagship level IP69K, IP68, and IP66 water resistance. It comes with the highest IP6 dust resistance rating as well. Overall, the HONOR X9d is a tough nut to crack. It bodes well for those individuals who crave for peace of mind when they bring their phone anywhere they go. The display is not only tough like the rest of the phone, it also offers an enjoyable viewing experience. It is a 6.79-inch OLED display with a 94.6% screen-to-body ratio with quite narrow bezels at 1.3 millimeters. 120Hz is the refresh rate, and the resolution is 2640 by 1200. Peak brightness is now also at 6000 nits. Being a zillennial, I'm one to usually have my phone out to watch videos while eating, and I definitely enjoyed this phone's companionship during my many meals. The device makes use of a dual-camera setup, featuring a 108-megapixel main shooter and the 5-megapixel ultra-wide. The main camera can also shoot videos up to 4K at 30 FPS. OIS on the main camera minimizes blur, while EIS provides for more stable video recording. Under good lighting conditions, the camera captures a good amount of detail and color. Photos taken in low light are also quite decent with a passable amount of detail captured, although it does make use of some enhancement to fill in some of the gaps in detail. The front camera is a 16-megapixel shooter that can shoot videos up to 1080p at 30 FPS. Furthermore, the device comes with a suite of AI editing tools to further enhance the experience. Under the hood, the HONOR X9d is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor, paired with an Adreno A810 GPU. You get storage of up to 512GB and RAM up to 12GB. All these ensure smooth multitasking and everyday responsiveness. When it comes to gaming, I had no issues running Call of Duty Mobile. For more intensive titles such as Genshin Impact, you may need to dial down the graphics settings a bit. For the OS, the HONOR X9d runs on Magic OS 9, which is based on Android 15. You do get some additional AI tools such as AI Translate, AI Notes, and AI Recorder to name a few. The HONOR X9d is long-lasting, both inside and out. It is equipped with an 8,300 mAh battery, which HONOR claims to provide 52.5 hours of music streaming or 23.8 hours of video playback. Now, your binge sessions will remain uninterrupted. In terms of charging, the device does support a 66-watt HONOR Supercharge. 0 to 50 takes approximately 20 minutes, while 0 to 100 will take about an hour or so. HONOR has outdone itself yet again. It makes you wonder what future generations of this smartphone will be like. But one thing is for sure, the HONOR X9d is a smartphone that you can depend and rely on for a long time. It is incredibly robust and equipped with a large battery to keep your activities uninterrupted, all while providing that solid and stable everyday performance. So start the year right with the HONOR X9d, which is priced at just $17,999.